Hey guys, and welcome back to Jordan vs. Life. Today, we're going to be finishing up the bow stuff with making the last final step, a quiver. That's the thing that goes on your back and holds in the arrows. Sometimes you see it on the side too. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. It's going to be a pretty easy project today. Alright, so I'm just going to be using this 3-inch pipe, PVC pipe. I'm going to be using this 3-inch cap. Got a curved bottom. And all I'm literally going to do is, this is just showing you guys, but I'm going to put on the bottom, and then I'm going to attach a strap right here and here. That way it can just sling over my back, and then the arrow's going to fit right in here, and yeah, you get the basic idea. Of course, we're going to give it a cool paint job. But for now, let's go ahead and add the PVC pipe primer and cement. Let it allow 15 minutes of good handling strength and 2 hours to cure at temperatures above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, guess I gotta do something for 2 hours. Probably make some more arrows. Be back at you guys. Alright guys, now this is finally set. It's not coming off at all, not even with a pair of pliers. You're gonna have to cut it off. Gonna go ahead and attach a rivet up here on a strap, right up here. Then we put one probably right here, because drilling through this and then putting it through there, the rivet wouldn't fit. So I'll put it right here. Then I'm probably gonna drill a hole into the bottom. That way, if you ever leave it outside and it rains, the water can just go straight out. Or if you're using it for a survival bow or something like that, you can leave it in there. That way you can use this as like a water catchment system, like holding water, you know? But that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now. Guys, got the rivet in. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in. Alright, now I got a little extra here, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut it off, and then I'm going to hit it up with the lighter, that way all the little pieces on it will untangle. And it's finished, and I'd say it is looking pretty fantastic. I originally had a black spray paint on there, and I was gonna do like a black tube with a red bottom and with like a black mixed with red stripe, like a band, my bad. But you know, I ran out of black paint, so I said, what the hell? And I just covered it all in red, and I actually like it. Got my arrows in there. I'm gonna make more. And I'm doing a little test too. I have arrows in here that have epoxy on them, like the regular arrows you saw in the other video. I'll leave the link right up there. And then I'm trying out these other arrows that I put Flex Seal on. I want to see if that does anything. I'm betting the epoxy will probably be a lot stronger. But I don't know, let's see. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and leave y'all with the credits. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Jordan vs. Life on the building side of life again. Now, I had a lot of fun making this, and it's wrapping up our bow and arrow project. Finally got all 3 pieces ready, the bow, the arrow, and the quiver. So, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the like button if you like the video. Really helps me out when you do. I know it sounds generic, but it really does. Also, leave a comment in the comment section below about color schemes you would have done different, anything else you would have done different. Like, would you have made the quiver smaller, bigger, taller, longer? Would you have done it, flattened it, made it flatter, made it a hip side one, or what? So, without further ado, guys, peace.